In this video, we'll tell you about the 10 secret tricks that will make you rich, and that too very quickly. Actually, the rich people never reveals these secrets. But we have researched a lot and found out these from their daily habits. Watch this video till the end as you will learn some most crucial things. Now let's start. 1. Make a plan and establish clear financial objectives. Having well-defined financial objectives and a strategy to reach them is the first step to amassing wealth. Whether it's a certain sum of money, the ownership of valuable assets, or the ability to live comfortably with that amount of money, define what it means to be wealthy to you. Make a detailed plan outlining your objectives, including due dates and precise steps to achieve them when you have a clear picture of what you want. Divide your overall objective into more manageable monthly savings goals if you want to reach your goal of $1 million. 2. Establish a variety of revenue sources. Having many streams of income is another key to financial independence. If your income is dependent on only one source, like a job or a company, you could be limiting your earning possibilities. Try to diversify your income sources as much as possible by investing in stocks and real estate, launching a side hustle, or finding ways to earn passive income like royalties or investments. Assume, for the sake of argument, that you work full-time as an accountant and supplement your income with monthly rental revenue from your investment properties. An individual's earning potential is amplified and a safety net is established when they have many sources of income in case one of those streams fails. To know the best tips to get rich, just press the subscribe button and also the like button. 3. Make smart investments. One of the most important ways to amass riches is to invest. The wealthiest individuals know how to put their money to work for them via smart investments. Learn as much as you can about the many financial opportunities available to you, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, property, and establishing your own company. Consider your risk tolerance and long-term financial objectives while making choices, and don't hesitate to consult experts if necessary. As a result of his astute investing decisions, Warren Buffett has become one of the world's richest people. Rule 1. Never lose money was one of his sayings. Rule 2. Keep Rule 1 in mind at all times. This emphasizes the need for prudent investment and reducing risks. 4. Cut back on expenditures and save money. Living below your means and putting money away regularly are two of the most important things you can do to acquire wealth. Prioritize conserving above getting what you want right away and stay away from wasteful spending. Budgeting, keeping track of your spending, and staying away from excessive debt are all excellent financial habits to develop. Living below your means allows you to quickly amass riches and has more capital available for investments. Consider a hypothetical monthly income of $5,000 after taxes. Save at least 20%, $1,000, of your salary each month rather than blowing it all on luxuries and lifestyle changes. 5. Make learning your priority. True achievers are perpetual students. Learning new things about money, business, and self-improvement is a great way to invest in your future. To improve your skills, read books, go to seminars, enroll in online classes, or find a mentor. Having greater knowledge allows you to make better judgments and take advantage of chances to build money. Elon Musk's insatiable need for information has made him famous. Musk founded Tesla and SpaceX. In interviews, he has said that he reads for hours each day in order to keep up with the latest news and get a deeper grasp of a wide range of topics. 6. Maintain a network of prominent achievers. The people you surround yourself with have a major impact on your success in building money. If you want to succeed, You need to surround yourself with people who will encourage and inspire you. Study their routines, take note of their experiences, and use their connections to your advantage. Being with other successful individuals may speed up your journey to wealth and offer doors to new chances. Over the years, Bill Gates and Warren Buffett have developed a strong friendship. They are always together, sharing credit for each other's achievements and participating in deep conversations and charitable work. Their bond shows how important it is to surround oneself with powerful people. 7. Make reasonable risks. Taking measured risks is a common strategy for becoming wealthy. Be advised that these risks should be thoroughly investigated and in line with your financial objectives. Be sure you know your risk tolerance, weigh the benefits and drawbacks of each option, and think about alternative outcomes before making a big choice. You may advance in your career and open doors to huge financial rewards by taking calculated risks. Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook's co-founder, risked everything by leaving Harvard University to follow his business passions. He overcame obstacles and doubts by taking a risk, and now he is one of the world's youngest millionaires. 8. Maintain a positive attitude towards setbacks. Perseverance and the capacity to learn from setbacks are two of the most important characteristics of successful individuals. It takes time and energy to build riches, and you will inevitably encounter obstacles along the road. Adapt to new situations, learn from your errors, and press on in the face of temporary obstacles. If you have a growth mentality and are persistent, you may learn from your mistakes and get closer to financial success. 9. Express appreciation and give back. Gratitude and giving back to society are values that the wealthiest individuals have. Donating to charity, giving your time, or supporting activities that connect with your beliefs are all great ways to cultivate a mentality of plenty and generosity. Helping others has a multiplicative impact on your own life. It opens doors to greater success and happiness. The self-made millionaire and philanthropist Oprah Winfrey has given up a large chunk of her fortune to a number of good causes. With a strong belief in the need of giving back, she has set up educational foundations, constructed schools, and backed programs that aim to empower women. 10. Keep your eyes fixed on your objectives. Maintaining laser-like concentration on your objectives is the last key to amassing wealth. Keep yourself disciplined, don't let anything derail you, and check in on your progress often. It's easy to let yourself get tempted by things that seem good in the short term or to forget about your goals for the future. You can overcome challenges and attain your financial goals if you remain focused and dedicated. The goal of Amazon's founder, Jeff Bezos, has always been very clear. In spite of setbacks in the beginning, he persisted in his mission to become the biggest online store in the world. This is what happened with Amazon. In the end, Amazon became one of the most valuable firms in the world because of his laser-like concentration. That's all for today. Now you know all the secret tricks to become rich and financially free. You must follow these tricks to get rich quickly. Press the red subscribe button and also the bell icon if you want to know the best tricks to earn more money and get rich. Actually, the rich people like Sir Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk all tell some crucial things to become rich, but they never actually reveal the basic tricks and steps to amass wealth. They will probably tell you some difficult terms and unknown tricks to amass riches, but my friend, you need to work small and achieve small things, and most importantly, be happy with that small achievement. They may tell you to invest in stocks, bonds, assets, gold, annuities, fixed deposits, government bonds, and other areas to grow your wealth. Yes, I agree that these are good, but you must also follow the tricks we told you in this video. Share this video with all of your friends and family members for them to learn and grow. Add a comment below if you want to know more about any topic or if you are having any queries or suggestions. Press the like button also. Thanks for watching this video till here.